Okay, so you're not gonna see my whole face um, because my front tooth is missing. We think it probably got fractured in the accident, and I bit on a piece of bread and it broke. So, this is what you're gonna see. Now, I haven't come out with the video for a little bit. I had sort of a relapse. The pain in my right side was just tremendous. It still is numb. I can't feel anything much. Um, and it felt like an elephant sitting on my chest. And I struggled through for a week. Finally, I was at a friend's and she's like, "You're going to the hospital." And they took me right in. They tested for collapsed lung, blood clots, brain aneurysm, previous heart attacks, future heart attacks. Found out it was my asthma because all of my inhalers got lost in the accident. And I just thought the heavy breathing and couldn't breathe was due to the ribs. So, here, this is more comfortable. You get to see a little bit of the van. I got a little bit of that set up. My clean laundry my daughter just delivered. So I got a clean bill of health. They tested my calcium, my oxygen, my blood pressure, my sugar, my anemia, white blood cell count, check for some cancers. And they're like, "Wow, you are super healthy." So that's good to know. They said it's going to be a couple more months with the ribs. And the hand is not healing well. So I've got to go back in. Probably will have to have surgery. So I am going to be down and out for a while. I am feeling better, but I was down for about a week and a half, and so I didn't do a lot with the van. It's still, I get really tired very easily. But I have been doing a few little things, and I wanted to bring you aboard so you could see what I was doing. And I know you guys are all wondering, how come she's not putting out videos? Is she okay? And I really appreciate all your thoughts and the love and the outpouring of friendship. So, here is a video of what I've done. And I've got more plans, but we'll just kind of go with this. Okay, the first thing was to scrub it down, and now let it dry. Okay, and here is the glitter, which I got carried away with the glitter, so it looks more silver. But I'm happy with it. And this is what I used. The Rust-Oleum glitter. And then I sprayed 2 coats of the crystal clear enamel. And I'll spray another coat once I finish the backside. Now the reason I picked the Rust-Oleum spray glitter was because when I had a traditional house, I had laminate yellow countertops, ugly. And so I took arts and crafts paint, 98 cents, and sponges, and I did it in black, ivory, a little bit of maroon, and made a really beautiful marble effect, multicolored countertop, and then sprayed them with the gold glitter, and they turned out so beautiful. Look what one sweet person got me. I am so excited. It is 1.7 cubic feet. My last one was 20 quarts, so this is like a 50 quart fridge. So my grandson's unwrapping it. He's going to help me set it up. That way, if anything spills, it doesn't rust on the carpet. Is that pretty light, bud?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look at it. It's adorable. And it's black, just the color Grandma wanted. Oh, look at the little freezer. It's cute. Just enough to keep like a pound of ground beef or a little bit of ice cream or ice cubes. Like Grandma ever has ice cubes, right? That's adorable. Get this, the same lady got me this. It bakes cookies, yay, broils. It's just amazing. So I just got it washed up, and also comes with all these cute racks, broiler, cookie tray. It's just adorable. It uses 1500 watts. Don't touch this.
Why is that yours?
Okay, start. And cookies.
And what are...
So this come in from one of my YouTube subscribers. I'm so excited to see what we have. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, it's heavy. What is this? Okay.
I know when you text me
Cut.
you're on your way.
It's a vacuum cleaner, which my carpet in the van really needs it. Oh wow. Look at all the attachments. Oh, this is remarkable. I'm gonna have my grandson put it together, and then we'll go out and vacuum. And then there's this, but it's not telling me who it's from, and I need to know so I can thank these people. This was amazing. Oh my gosh. You people are incredible. I hope I can find who sent it. You're amazing, and I thank you. This is an 1800 watt construction grade extension cord. Thank you. Cut. Okay, so I wanted to show you how I made my dresser drawers. Those are cardboard boxes cut down to the height I need. They just happen to be the perfect width. And then I added the sparkly Dollar Tree silver paper to it. And with the flaps, I made dividers. I got the duct tape at Dollar Tree for $1.25. So that'll hold my t-shirts, tank tops, shorts, dresses, pants, sweatshirts. And that is over the cab. That's what that looks like. That little basket holds bras. That one, underwear. I really like the look of it. I didn't videotape me doing it because it did take me 4 days. That was a lot of wrist activity, and I'm only able to do a little bit at a time because the pain in my wrist is horrid. Total cost of that, $5. and no weight added to the van. Yay! Okay. Put your hand right down there. Up. Let's try to set it exactly. There we go. Perfect. So what I'm doing is in the cargo area, the very back, on the inside bumper, I'm putting all 17 of my grandkids' handprints. I did this when I had a traditional house, and it was in the kitchen on a wall, and it was called the Wall of Love. So this way, my grandkids are with me all the time. Every time I open that door, I get to see all of their handprints. Now, in the meantime, explore, travel, keep God in your heart, stay fantastic.